Right, last one that's just like an algebra question before I move on to the application questions. Now this might look, you're thinking, what do I do here? Well, I suppose you could. I mean, you don't. I'm going to show you the kind of technique we can use for this. You could, if you wanted to, FOIL this, 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 2, distribute law through this and get it all together until you put it equal to 0 and solve. That's one way of doing it. But I'm going to show you this. Okay? Notice that both these parentheses are the same. They're both 2x plus 2. So what I'm going to say is suppose, this is how they write it in the book. Okay, let that 2x plus 2, let that 2x plus 2 equal, doesn't matter what letter you pick, they tend to pick u. Now this is kind of solving by substitution. I'm going to substitute u where, not u, right, where the 2x plus 2 is, okay? So that is going to become u, so it's now u squared minus, so this is also u, so 12u, and that right now equals negative 35. Okay, there we go. So that's it. Now it looks more like a quadratic now, just a regular quadratic rather than all those complicated little parentheses in there. Remember, I've replaced the 2x plus 2, the parentheses, with the letter u. Right, let's set it equal to 0. So u squared minus 12u. I will add 35 to both sides. Okay, so if I add 35 to both sides, add 35, okay, just do that. I have my 0 on the right. Okay, right, there we go. Now hopefully, unless it's the quadratic equation formula, right, what's two numbers that make 35 when you multiply that make, oh yes, this one will factor, all right? It is minus 7 and minus 5. You see that? Go back to your factoring days, all right? There we go. Okay? So that's it. So what I'm trying to say here is I'll move down a little bit, is, right, so remember to make it 0, u must equal 7 and u must equal 5. Okay? So look at that. Those are my two answers. The problem with this is, remember, u is actually 2x plus 2. So I'm going to do now is say, okay, it's not u equals 7, it's 2x plus 2 equals 7, and 2x, sorry about that, 7, plus 2 equals 5. Okay? So 2x plus 2 equals 7, and 2x plus 2 equals 5. Now just you do your basic algebra. Take away 2 from both sides. Okay? So 2x equals, what's that, 5? So x must equal 5 over 2. Okay? For this one, again, still take away 2. But this one from a 5. So 2x, that's gone, equals 3. So x must equal, divide by 2, 3 over 2. And there you go. Those are the two answers. So look at that one. I did find out what u equals. Remember, u was just the letter I substituted in for 2x plus 2. Okay, which is right back at the start. Okay, so I substituted this and this. I put a u there instead. It turned into a nice quadratic. Now you could, if you wanted to, you could FOIL the 2x plus 2 at the start. It's 2x plus 2 squared. You could distribute the negative 12 through that parenthesis. You can then add a 35 to get everything equal to 0. And you'd still end up, believe it or not, you'd still end up with the right answer. Okay, but that's just called doing it by the substitution method. There you go.